Try out our career transition workshops and free My Transition Journal. This program will consist of 6 weeks of exercises where we will explore the following. Week 1, state your professional goal. Then Week 2, system impact. Then Week 3, strengthen skills. Then in Week 4, we will focus on educational opportunities. Then Week 5, embrace technology. Lastly, in Week 6, prepare mentally and emotionally. So now let's go a little deeper. Week by week. Week 1, state your professional goal. Clinical focus. Reflect on your long-term career aspirations. Consider where you want to be professionally in the next 5 to 10 years. Are you aiming for a leadership role, specialization, or a specific area of practice, for example, informatics? State your goal clearly and concisely. Clinical relevance. Setting a professional goal helps guide your decisions, education, and skill development. It provides motivation and direction for your career path. Now let's look at Week 2, system impact. Clinical focus. Explore how your work impacts the larger healthcare system. Consider how your nursing practice contributes to patient outcomes, quality improvement, cost-effectiveness, and interdisciplinary collaboration. Clinical relevance. Understanding system dynamics helps you advocate for changes that benefit patients and healthcare organizations. It also highlights the importance of teamwork and communication. Okay, let's look at Week 3, strengthen skills. Clinical focus. Identify specific nursing skills you want to enhance. This could include clinical skills, communication skills, disease management education, or therapeutic communication, or more technical skills such as using spreadsheets or electronic health records to manage patient health information. Clinical relevance. Continuously improving your skills ensures safe and effective patient care. Seek opportunities for training, workshops, and hands-on practice. Now let's look at Week 4, educational opportunities. Clinical focus. Explore educational options relevant to your career goals. Consider certifications such as informatics, data analytics, clinical documentation integrity, and quality improvement. Clinical relevance. Lifelong learning is crucial in nursing. Stay informed about evidence-based practices, new technologies, and emerging trends. Now let's look at Week 5, embrace technology. Clinical focus. Familiarize yourself with healthcare technologies. Learn about electronic health records, EHRs, telehealth, mobile apps, and data analytics. Understand how these tools impact patient care. Clinical relevance. Technology enhances efficiency, accuracy, and patient safety. Embracing it allows you to adapt to the evolving healthcare landscape. And lastly, let's look into Week 6, prepare mentally and emotionally. Clinical focus. Reflect on the emotional demands of nursing. Consider self-care strategies, stress management, and coping mechanisms. Understand the emotional impact of navigating new and increasingly complex healthcare systems. Clinical relevance. Maintaining your mental and emotional well-being is essential for sustainable nursing practice. It helps prevent burnout and promotes resilience. Download your free copy of the My Transition Journal 6-week workbook, or request via email to advancednurses@acd4n.com.
We want to hear from you. Schedule a free consultation or send us an email at advancednurses@acd4n.com or visit our websites www.advancednurses.info or www.acd4n.com.